My name is Christoph Zoller. Along with my brother Alexander and my father Eberhard Zoller, I am one of the managing directors of the family-owned technology company ZOLLER. I'm very proud to present the new PowerShrink 400/600 machine series to you. We focused our experience and expertise on this new product development, thereby setting another milestone and completing our product portfolio. Typical ZOLLER, everything from a single source. The PowerShrink 400/600 machine series features an ergonomic design for efficient application. The equipment design is certified by TÜV according to UL CSA certification standards to ensure safe operation in your company. One result in this year-long development, of which we are especially proud, is energy savings of up to 30% compared to the previous model. This is a very important point, with which ZOLLER makes its contribution towards sustainable use of the PowerShrink on the shop floor. With the new ZOLLER Act by Light operating concept, we developed a light-controlled operator guide for the safe and efficient use of the machines in your company. With the new PowerShrink machine series, you save time, reduce your energy costs, and go gentle when it comes to your shrink fit holders. The perfect interaction of electronics, software, and mechanics guides you through the shrinking process quickly and reliably. Thanks to the expansion of our production site in Pleidelsheim, Germany, we manufacture even more efficiently and economically. The ZOLLER team of specially trained, competent assemblers and quality assurance employees ensure every day that your PowerShrink also arrives reliably at your shop floor. Your machine only leaves the assembly line when every employee is 100% satisfied and has given the machine the ZOLLER seal of quality. What you see here is the ZOLLER induction coil. This is designed with two separate windings. The windings are constructed differently and controlled separately. Shrinking can be performed with the upper winding only, or with the lower winding only, or with both windings together. This means shorter heating times, lower chuck temperatures, and shorter cycle times for longer life of the shrink fit holders. Energy consumption during shrink clamping and unclamping is therefore reduced by up to 30%, guaranteeing sustainable use with significantly lower energy costs. The clearly structured graphic display of the ZOLLER Pilot software guides the user intuitively and safely, step by step through the operating dialog, with the help of large function buttons and a well-thought-out color concept. The 12.5-inch monitor with a razor-sharp display is a notable feature. By simply scanning with the hand scanner, the data matrix code on the ZOLLER ID chip is scanned, and the shrink parameters are automatically loaded from the database. This allows you to start the shrinking process quickly and safely. The cooling system of the PowerShrink machine series really offers you everything you need for an efficient cooling process. A hand-guided or convenient linear guide for exact positioning of the cooling bells on the shrink fit holders. Cooling bells with the visual ZOLLER Cool by Light display for quick selection and temperature control. With the Cooling Manager, you save additional energy. This only switches on the cooling module when you actually need it. The robust and smooth stainless steel work surface offers sufficient space for cooling your shrink fit holders. The material is optimally matched to the holding pots so that the tools can be moved quickly and quietly. The construction of the table is very robust and forms the perfect basis for a long-lasting product. For maintenance and control, the front door can be opened, and the coolant unit, which is mounted on a sliding drawer, can be pulled out. Additional features include 4 sturdy casters and a handle for flexible installation of the PowerShrink in your shop floor area. 3 compartments integrated in the lower table provides sufficient storage space for cooling components, flue gas suction device, and for storing your accessories. Storage boards on the left and right of the table provide space for positioning handheld scanners, safety gloves, cleaning brushes, as well as cooling adapters and pickup rings close to the process, therefore rounding off the ergonomic operation of the machine.